Welcome. In this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to add two filters on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know how to add two filters on TikTok video. Click on the TikTok app. Now click on the plus mark which appear here. Click on the video mode and select any of the filters on by using you want to make videos. I select this and start to make video. Now click on that and select any other effect or filter and start to make video. In this way, two types of filters are being used in this video. Now click on this red check mark. Your video will be saved and you can post this video by using two different effects. You can also add more than two effects in one video. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.